Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Joy. Today I want to introduce a topic which is very common. It's algebraic formula. From my experience, I have seen many students having trouble memorizing this formula. So in this video, I have shown several ways to memorize this formula. So let's start with the first one, multiplication in algebra. Basically, this formula is derived from the expansion of a plus b whole square. So how can we expand a plus b whole square? It's a plus b times a plus b. Then we do the simple multiplication in algebra, which is a times a plus b times a plus b, and we get a square plus 2ab plus b squared. So this is one way. This is shown in this is a simple multiplication in algebra. So there are other ways as well. So let's move on to the next one, which is geometrical illustration. This formula can also be memorized using geometrical illustration. For example, take a big square of side a plus b. That is, all the sides of the square will be a plus b. Now create four sectors. Four sectors: A1, A2, A3, and A4. So we can see that A1 is a big square of sides A, and A4 is a small square of sides B. So and A2 and A3 are rectangles of sides A and B. So if we try to find the area of A1, it will be A times A, which is A square. You can also find the area of A2 and A3 by simply using the formula length into breadth, since they are rectangles. And then for A4, the sides are B. So since A4 is a square, it will be B times B, which is B squared. Then if we add all this area, we will get A squared plus 2AB plus B squared, right? So you can see that from geometrical perspective, you can also easily find the area of A plus B whole square, which is A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Then if you're having trouble with this as well, you can go for Pascal's triangle. So Pascal's triangle is a triangle of 1, and then we add 1 plus 1, which is 2 here, and then 1 plus 2 is 3, and 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So we know anything to the power 0 equals to 1, right? And anything to the power 1 equals to anything. For example, 2 to the power 1 equals to 2. So a plus b to the power 1 equals to a plus b, right? Similarly, a plus b whole square equals to, you can see a square. See, since the power is 2 here, the a will start with 2. A will start with power 2, and b will start with power 0. So gradually, with each step, the power of a will decrease and b will increase. So here you see in the first step it was b to the power 0, now it's b to the power 1, and then a became 0, a to the power it became a to the power 0, and b became b to the power 2, right? So you can see the pattern. The power of a is in decreasing and the power of b is increasing. Similarly, for a plus b cube, you can see that the power of a is decreasing and the power of b is increasing, right? So from here we can also derive the formula of a plus b square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. I hope this video helped you a lot. That's it for today. That's all for today. Thank you. I hope you like the video.